Today, my family and I love having soup just casually using whatever ingredients we have at home to simmer up a comforting bowl.
This soup recipe came about because the Deccan radish I bought was too huge. So I decided to use half for spicy stir-fry hot pot and the other half for simmering soup. The ingredients are super simple, just pickled mustard greens, Deccan radish, and tomatoes. And of course, you can add soft tofu to the soup after it's done. Just adjust it to your liking. Peel the Deccan radish and cut it into chunks for later. I won't share the recipe for the other half used in the spicy stir-fry pot. I've already posted several versions of that before. Cut the pickled mustard greens into small pieces and set aside. Just like with the Deccan, I also saved some to add to the spicy stir-fry pot. If you're interested, feel free to check out those recipes too. After cutting the tomatoes into chunks, simply add all the ingredients into the soup pot and don't forget to pour in water too. For a 2-serving pot of soup, add about 800 milliliters to 1 liter of water, around 3.5 to 4 cups. Adjust according to your preferred soup consistency and how long you plan to simmer it. After boiling, reduce to low heat and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Let the Deccan soften and allow the savory saltiness of the pickled greens and the tangy sweetness of the tomatoes to blend into the broth. If using a pressure cooker, simply press the soup function and let it cook for about 30 minutes. 8 pickled mustard greens already bring a natural saltiness to the soup, so extra seasoning really isn't needed. The flavors blend perfectly as they simmer. The soup is light yet flavorful, with a subtle saltiness from the pickled mustard greens and a tangy sweetness from the tomatoes. The Deccan simmers until tender, soaking up the gentle warmth of the broth. It's comforting, satisfying, and tastes just like home. Deccan radish is rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, aiding digestion and soothing the lungs. Tomatoes provide lycopene and vitamins that offer antioxidant benefits and support immunity. Pickled mustard greens contribute minerals and amino acids, enhancing flavor and appetite, though best enjoyed in moderation. Deccan radish is high in water and dietary fiber, which can help relieve common digestive issues in the elderly. Its vitamin C and antioxidants gently support immune function and soothe the respiratory system. With its soft texture and easy digestibility, it's a gentle and suitable ingredient for older adults. Pickled mustard greens are rich in minerals and amino acids, which can stimulate appetite and enhance flavor. The fermentation process also produces beneficial compounds that aid digestion. However, due to their high salt content, they are best enjoyed in moderation, perfect as a savory addition to meals. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cardiovascular health. They also contain vitamin C and potassium, which support immunity and blood pressure regulation. Low in calories and high in water content, they are ideal for boosting metabolism and nourishing the skin. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe, definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.